Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Ocean back at it, reppin' Melee Mafia. But some may know me as OceanFunni. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this on the OceanFunni page. So, mostly my vlogs and sitting in front of the camera videos is OceanFunni. So, anyways, y'all see it. I got debris behind me, all type of debris. My baby just came today. I'm a proud father. I'm a proud father of this device right here. You understand me? I'm shooting this all off of the Mac right now. All of this is off the HD camera for right now. So if it's shitty quality, sue me. If it, I'm hoping it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I got the 2015 version, 2015 27-inch 3.2 gigahertz. Not bad, not bad. You know, I tried to do unboxing of somewhat with all of this, but this my camera right here. I got a Canon, and I don't have my fucking tripod broke, so I couldn't set my camera up and really film. I tried as best as I could is to hold the camera in one hand and fucking, you know, cut the box open and try to do a shitty unboxing. So, you know, without further ado, here's my shitty unboxing of my brand new, beautiful Macintosh that I love. Well, there you have it. I'm Ocean, repping Melee Mafia. And that's my unboxing to my brand new Mac computer, which I can edit videos, can make original music, I can dabble in animating, trying to make my own cartoons. I'm trying to do it all. So Like, share, and subscribe. Head on over to my other page, Melee Mafia, for video games, animes, and skits. And we working on an extra special podcast, you know what I'm saying? And support me on Patreon also. I have a Patreon and a PayPal for any donations. So if you want to see the channel build, we at the ground level. We just now getting there. So thanks for all the love and support. Check y'all later.